This is India's first luxury train whose tariff starts from 8 lakh rupees and goes up to 12 lakh plus for two people for a 7 nights journey across Rajasthan. Oh, and since this is all about royalty, the guests too are welcomed with band, baja, dhol and aarti. The train visits some prominent cities like Jaipur, Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, Udaipur, Jodhpur and many more. All the meals from breakfast, lunch, high tea, dinner, sightseeing and internal travels with a guide is all taken care of in the price. And that's not it. The train has 2 luxury dining restaurants serving 5-course meals with 2 lounge bars, a personal butler at your service just with a ring of a bell. And there are 2 spa rooms for all the personal pampering, a mini salon room to attend to your beauty needs, and of course, not missing out on the super fine hospitality. To know all the details about this train, head to the caption and watch the whole video of Wanderluxe on our YouTube channel.